In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to install our special flexible dado rail. This tutorial aims to show you what can be achieved using this material, but also how to install it correctly. To demonstrate this, we're going to use our dado rail along this curved wall. We'll start by matching the wall's curvature. Then create a 45-degree bend downward, followed by another 45-degree bend to the return to the wall's curvature. This should help cover a wide range of situations for installing our flexible dado. Before we get started, here's an inventory list of what you'll need: a heat gun, 2-part adhesive, strong grab adhesive, and an extra pair of hands. So, with everything to hand, let's get started. First, outline on the wall where your rail will go. This will act as your installation guide. To get the material ready for bending, we are first going to need to heat it up by using the heat gun. Start by using steady motions on the area that we are bending first. Position the gun about 10 to 15 centimeters away from the material so that we don't burn the surface. Here we're just heating a small section first, as we want to work in sections when bending the material, not heating the whole thing at once. To test that the area is ready for bending, lightly bend the section. If it moves easily, it's ready. If there's resistance, apply a bit more heat. Don't force the material or you risk snapping the rail. Once you're satisfied with the flexibility, apply a bead of strong grab adhesive to the area you'll install first. Dab glue activator around the adhesive on the wall and spray activator on the back of the dado rail. We're using the 2-part adhesive system for an instant bond and to allow the grab adhesive to cure and secure the rail. Try and avoid using a nail gun, as this material is too malleable when heated and can then deform the profile. With everything ready, offer the rail to the curved wall. Press the rail against the curved wall, applying light pressure to match the wall's profile. Hold it into place until the 2-part adhesive sets, which is about 30 seconds. With our first section in place, we can now move on to the next section. If you're simply following the curvature of the wall, just repeat the steps. Heat the rail, apply the adhesives, and press into place. It's that simple. But if you're looking at creating a 45-degree angle downwards, maybe continuing the run down a spiral staircase, here's how to do it. Just like before, we're going to start heating the section we're going to bend. As the section has a more prominent bend, we're going to gradually heat and bend in stages. This allows the material to gradually get to a 45-degree angle. Take your time in this section, forcing the rail can cause it to split or lose its shape. Once you've achieved the desired angle, repeat the fixing process: grab adhesive, glue activator, spray activator, and hold in place until set. You now have your first 45-degree angle bend completed. For the return 45-degree bend, to bring the rail back to the original curve, repeat the gradual heating, bending, and securing process. And there you have it. You now have the necessary know-how to install our special flexible dado rail. The key to take away from this tutorial is to take your time and let the material do the hard work for you. If you found this tutorial helpful and insightful, consider subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our latest videos. We hope this video helps, and we'll see you in the next one.